Today we're going to be doing a brief Shiva Puja. Puja means worship. It's a Sanskrit word. Shiva is the symbol of infinity, reciprocation. In the Hindu tradition, there's a trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Brahma is the principle of creation. Vishnu is the principle of sustainment, sustenance. And Shiva is the symbol of dissolution, or redissolvement, or recycling, or infinity. So Shiva is the symbol of the infinity forces. If you've ever seen the symbol of infinity, you know the Western symbol of infinity, the mathematical symbol, looks like a letter 8. Shiva, Shiva. Everyone say that word, Shiva, 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 Shiva. Now I want you to imagine taking that infinity symbol and flipping it, so now it's not, the knot has been removed, so now it's a circle of infinity. Shiva, 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 Shiva. And if you look here, this is one traditional symbol of Shiva as Nataraja, the dancing god. He's dancing, he's having an experience of not bliss, but delight in the cycle of being born, being reborn, being born on the astral, born on the physical, coming, going, within the cycle of infinity. Even though there's flames around, there's light, illumination, he's having a good time. And a puja gives us an opportunity to reciprocate, to make a symbolic offering from the heart of love. And in the process, we, as Kriyananda said, we hope that the divine forces, the spiritual enlightened beings, bless the room that we're in, bless the world that we're in, bless our environment. So puja is an opportunity to draw heaven down to earth. And today we'll be doing a Shiva Puja. We'll be chanting Om Namah Shivaya. At the end of our ritual, we'll be reciting that 108 times, Om Namah Shivaya, which means, oh God, I salute you, I adore you. And in that giving out, we hope that the divine forces also reciprocate and share their blessing with us.
Sashivanam Chaturbhujam Prasram Vadram Dhyayat Sarva Vignopashyantaye Brahmanandam Paramasukhadam Kevalam Jnanam Murtim Tvantvatidam Gaganna Sadrisham Tattvamasi Adilaksham Ekam Nityam Vimalam Achalam Sarvadesakshi Bhutam Pahavahatitam Dragunarahidam Sadgurum Tham Namami Chaitanyam Shastvadam Shantam Nirakaram Niranjanam Natabindu Kaladutam Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Satchit Ananda Murtaye Nishprapanchaya Shandaya Niralambaya Tejase Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ 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 नमः शिवाय 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 Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Devasya Veda Prasuvah Satyam Dvachena Parashim Chami Amritamasi Amritophastaramasi. Om Apanaya Swaha Sammanaya Swaha Viyanaya Swaha Uddanaya Swaha Pranaya Swaha Brahmani Swaha Param Brahma Paramatmani Namaha Satguru Kriyananda Swamini Namaha Sarvam Amritam Mahanevedyam Nivedyami. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.